The P0299 code indicates that your turbocharger or supercharger is underboosting, meaning it's producing less boost pressure than the vehicle's computer expects. Simply put, the turbo isn't delivering enough air to the engine, drastically affecting power. The symptoms are very clear. The check engine light will come on. But the most noticeable symptoms will be a severe loss of power. The car feels sluggish or heavy, poor acceleration, and sometimes the engine may go into protection mode to prevent further damage. If the P0299 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner and then review some common causes. The most common are leaks in the intake system or turbo hoses. Inspect all lines and connections for cracks or loose clamps. Also, check the wastegate or diverter valve, as if they are stuck open, pressure will escape. A damaged or seized turbocharger is another possibility, although more serious. Finally, don't forget to check the manifold pressure (MAP) sensor, as an inaccurate reading can fool the ECU. It's crucial not to ignore the P0299 code. Driving with low boost pressure can lead to higher fuel consumption and, more importantly, overstrain other engine components, which can result in premature wear or costly failure of the turbocharger or the engine itself. Address this problem early to avoid major repairs.